Hey guys, it's Bailey here from Maverick Campers. Right here behind me is our all-new Australian-made Eminence, and today we're going to walk you through a setup video on your brand new caravan. First thing you're going to do when you unhook your all-new Eminence is you're going to apply the park brake, take off the DO35 cover, slide back the receiver, and we're going to unhook our D-shackles. We will then unplug our 12-pin plug, and if optioned, your ESC, and unplug your reverse camera and Anderson plug. Now you're going to grab your jockey wheel out of where you've stored it. You're going to line up the slots, screw it in. Now you want to keep the handle forward, closest to the hitch. Make sure it's nice and tight, just like that. So now we're going to raise the jockey wheel, and it's going to take the pressure off of the pin, all the way off the vehicle. And now we're going to level out the caravan. Now what we're going to do is we're going to lower our stabilizer legs. Now your Eminence is supplied with a spindle, and you'll find it in the channel boot in its nice new stow-it position. And it's this tool right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go around and we're going to stabilize the caravan. We don't level it with these stabilizer legs. They are only to lock that caravan in a firm position. If you're wanting to level out your caravan, look at leveling ramps or a set of max tracks. So now you're going to drop the legs down in a straight vertical, use the supplied tool and wind it down. Now what you want to do is do that on all four corners of the caravan and get it nice and stable. Now for those extended stays, your Eminence caravan comes with a Dometic rollout awning. We're going to show you how you set that up right now. In the channel boot, you'll find your manual rollout tool. Looks like this. Then we're going to unlatch our arm, slide out the grey section, unscrew the black turn screw, and we'll head over to the arm and unlatch the awning. Now we're going to use our supplied tool. We're going to flick down on this grey lever to roll down. We're going to hook into our black roll material. We're going to unlatch this side, and then we're going to pull it down. So we'll roll the awning the rest of the way out, just like that, and we are set up. We're now going to raise up the poles. So now we're going to slide up our awning supports, push it out, and we're going to screw in the black turn knob. Not too tight, just a bit past hand tight. Now we're going to do the same on the other side. Now that you've got the rafters in position, the next step is to set your awning to your desired height. Now always remembering when it rains to allow for the runoff so you don't get any pooling to cause any damage to your awning. Now we're going to raise your awning to your desired height, making sure we still have that runoff. Now we're going to do the other side. Get it nice and level, and just like that, camp is done. Now you've got your camp all set up, we're going to plug in our 240 volt power. Whether that's via a generator or mains power, it's going to get plugged in right here to the 15 amp inlet. You also have a Malenko antenna on the roof, but if you're not quite happy with that signal available, you can plug in directly here. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that tour around the 21-foot Eminence family van. To find out more, head to our website at maverickcampers.com.au or give one of our stores a call around the country on 1300 628 494.